Hey friends, this month's tip on how to help improve your home practice is incorporate dynamic bridges. So we know bridges help to get our glutes stronger and bring our hips into extension, but oftentimes one hip is stronger than the other. So the strong side gets stronger, the weak side stays weak. This is a good way to balance that out. Start on your backs, and we'll just do the regular dynamic bridges first. Inhaling up, exhaling back down. After 5 or 6 of those, then I'm going to ask you to bring your arms down, but keep your hips up. But don't interlace your fingers. Press your palms into the floor. Keep your hips up and bring your feet a little closer in. The next time you exhale, you lift one foot off the floor without letting your hips drop. And then inhale when you bring both feet down and change sides. Let's exhale, lift your other foot off the floor. And we'll do that 5 or 6 times each side. Again, mindful that you don't let your hips drop when you bring one foot off the floor. After that, come on down, take a little rest, and continue with your practice. So incorporate these. Let me know what you think, and I hope you have a great day.